You know, so guys, something happened. You guys know I created a video shaker, the herbal mixture that fixed my baldness. Look at my hair. I be like Pastor Chris now. It's like I did hair transplant. Somebody even said it, that nothing you want to tell me that I didn't do hair transplant. And you know, remember, people were telling me to do hair transplant. You know, and I told you guys how I was in Turkey one time. They tried to convince me to do hair transplant. But the morning they called that day, I said, if I give my mama this money, she will be happier. You know, I didn't know what I know now and then. But now I know that hair transplant is treating the symptoms. You understand? It's like having a fire alarm. A fire alarm went off in your house. It's beeping, ping, ping, making noise. Instead of you to go and check out where is the fire coming from, where is the smoke coming from, you go and off the fire alarm. That's what hair transplant is. It's not bad. You understand? But you are treating the symptom. If you are losing hair, it's a sign that there's something wrong with your body. Sometimes it's your gut, your intestine is not balanced. You understand? There are some nutrients that your body is no longer having in the right quantity. You get what I'm saying? So, but at the end of the day, when you take all these things, when you fix that nutrient, your hair will grow back. But also, if you want to speed it up, you take my video shaker, that herbal mixture, and then your hair will start growing. When I started it, many people were doubting. Some people were saying that it's not gonna work. I've tried it before. I've tried reviving my distance. Some people say that baldness is irreversible. If you check the official medical position on it, they said baldness is irreversible. That once you lose the hair follicles, that's RIP. That's what they said. No be my hair be this. Does this look that like I'm bald? Do I look bald? Look. Do I look bald? Do I look bald? All this hair from here now to this place that you're seeing, I've never had it in my life. I've never had hair here in my whole life. But look, it's coming out. In fact, I'm the one that trimmed it here because it's up to all this place. All this place now, hair day here. I have to trim it to what I want. All these things appeared in the past 3 months that I started using. First 2.5 months, nothing happened. It was as if it's not working. Whenever I make a video, people will tell me, give up, bro. Some will say, stop wearing cap, this, that. Look at my hair. All this growth happened in the last, let's say, 3 weeks. So first 2.5 months, it didn't work. All of a sudden, hair is everywhere. And I used the same product. And I created this product from scratch. You guys saw it. Now I made a video. People have been asking me. I didn't want to release the product until 6 months so that it will be undeniable that I have hair growth. People say you must release it. This is what is wrong with Africa. Somebody will discover something, he will not release. Go to my comments. People are attacking me. I said, okay. And I thought about it. I created the guide. Because there are people, most people looking for this are not even in the country. How can I send the herbal product from here to UK? NAFDAC, you have to have NAFDAC number. This. I said, okay, let me create it as a document. This is the document. Each ingredient used here. This is scientific research to show you that I did research. I didn't just mix anything. You understand? This is scientific research, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, that prove that this thing solves this kind of hair loss. All baldness is not caused by the same thing. You understand? Oh, do you know there is some baldness that are caused by STD? When you contract STD, you will start to lose hair. Some medication for treating STD will make you lose hair. Some people that went bad, they told it's just 1 year. They just woke up 1 year and all of a sudden they are losing hair. They will not know. I put all the scientific research that backs that this particular oil solves this kind, this particular oil, so these ingredients, that everything there is edible. I can get my hair mixture now and drink it. I can pour it in my food and eat because it's what you used to cook, but you don't know. Some of you don't add some of these things in your cook. Many of us are not eating balanced diet again like our forefathers did because we have removed some things. You just buy one sauce, yeah, they'll tell you it mixed everything. You are looking for taste instead of health. Some of those things are mixed there. If you Google it, it's just that I didn't want to make the document so big. I would have told you what else each one is solving. Do you know something else that happened? Do you know that my eyesight got fixed? I started seeing clearer. Me, I'm somebody that uses glasses to use my phone to use, but I started seeing clearer. Then I started researching what made my eye to be clearer in the past 2-3 months. What did I do new? Then I remembered, oh, I now started Googling what else, each of those things, which of them handles eyesight. I found two of the ingredients there. You just need to apply the oil on top of your eye every day for 2 weeks to 1 month. It will clear out any inflammation in your eye. One of them contains sulfur, some of them contains vitamin A, but it's not inside your eye. So when I was applying these things on my head, it's gradually dripping down to my eye. That's how my eyesight became better. Everything there is edible. This one will be chemical. Some of these ready-made hair products, after applying it and you see hair growth, if you stop, your hair will start falling back again. The devil's gift. Your hair will start falling. But why will my hair go fall if you don't grow? I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Some of them will give you heart palpitation. Your heart will be beating be irregular heartbeat. I don't want anything that will have anything to do with my heart, Omo. You get? So I mixed these natural herbs, found out with this herb product, which herb did they use for it? What is the scientific studies? I mixed all these things and used myself as an example, and you guys saw it live. My hair is growing. Yet when I made the document and I made a video practicalizing how I mixed it, which quantity, how did you mix it, how long does it stay this, how did you sieve this out, There's a video there, so you will not say. And all those things you can buy it from any shopping mall, anywhere you are in the world. Just walk into the shopping mall, ask them for their food section or health and wellness section. Then you walk into the pharmacies, there are some supplements you have to take. Because they found out that people that lose hair, 85%, they did a study in India, 1,000 men, 85% of men that lost hair eventually developed heart problems, heart disease, hypertension. The study is there, I'm not making it up. To show you that the hair loss is a symptom of something wrong in your body. So some of you saying that I don't care how I look. Me, I didn't care. You know, I was losing hair. I didn't care. I just have to shave my hair. You know, people will not even notice. I did not care. But when I found out that, oh shit, this thing might be a symptom of something that will go wrong in future. I want to turn up 60, physically fit like this. You understand? So I started digging deeper, and I found the supplements that you're supposed to replenish in your body. I listed them in the documents, added scientific paper link. This one grows hair, that. This is how this one grows hair, this how this one. I added everything. Yet some men will be chatting me up. A lot of people are buying, but some men will chat me up and be asking, why should I pay you? Why can't you tell me free? Free kill you there. Free kill you there. What you're paying me for is so that you will not stress what I stress. That's what your money is doing for you. When you go to work and earn money, you use that money to reduce stress in your life. If you don't get the cheat code from me, it's okay. Go and experiment with yourself. I took the risk myself. I bought the risk, and I can prove that it's working. You understand? If you go down my earlier videos, you see that I no get hair. I was bald. I no get hair. So some people say, why can't you give us free? See, the work where they work, if you go to work and finish working, do they pay you free? Do they tell you that there is no payment this month? You worked for us free. Did you see me working anywhere? You know, when you are paying is for yourself. Some men don't know how to take care of themselves. You will buy the most expensive iPhone 79 Pro Max for your daughter. Your own phone is rubber band that they will use to tie it. You can't. Some men don't even have TV in their house. They are living separate from the family because of proximity to work. If you go to that house where that man is living, there's no TV. You understand? It's not that he doesn't have the money, but once it gets to the point of taking care of himself, he starts playing smart or wise. Dropping a little token to collect the secrets to grow your hair and revive your own health. It's not my own that you're doing for me. Me, I fix my own. To revive your own health, you want to play smart. You say, I'm not interested in changing my hair. Let my hair carry it like that. Is it me you are doing? It's not me. I've done my own. See, does it look fake to you? Somebody said I was wearing wig. Does this look like wig? When I started, my hair was pulling out. If people saw it, I did like this. And hair came with it. You saw it in that video. When I started 3 months ago. Everything is strong now. You see? Pastor Chris, next thing now, I will go open church. I don't fry hair. The hair is so good that it looks like I did perm. I did not do perm. This is just oil that I applied. I did not perm this hair. You know, somebody was arguing before. Said I should prove that the back is healing up in the comments. I had to make a video yesterday If you go to down my TikTok, you see video. I made a video where you see